guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this is all about how I dyed my roots. As you can see, my roots are not dark anymore. I dyed my roots yesterday, so they're blending with the rest of my hair. It does look a little bit darker on camera, but in person you can't really tell the difference. So yeah, I did do my roots yesterday, and I'm just here to talk about what I used and how I did it, because I know every time I dye my hair I get a lot of questions. So I thought it'd be easier to make a video, and if anyone has any questions I can just direct them to this video. My hair's going a bit crazy right now. So yeah, so the hair dye that I used is L'Oreal 8.1. I don't have the box anymore, unfortunately, because it got really dirty, so I just threw it in the bin. But I'll find a picture and I'll put it here so you can see exactly what I used. So I used one box for my roots. If I was to do my whole entire head, I would have to use 2 boxes. So I chose a light ash blonde, just because I'm not trying to turn my hair blonde. What I'm using it for is kind of like a lifting process. So instead of having to use bleach, which obviously will make your hair blonde and light, but it's very damaging at the same time, and when you're doing that at home, if it goes wrong, you end up with leopard print hair. So if you need to use bleach, I've been doing it at the salon for 2 years now. So I think it's just better to do it at the salon if you're going to use bleach, because it saves a lot of time and hassle, and it's just a nicer process. Like, there's no stress. So what I normally do is, first up, you want to shake up the hair dye just as the instructions would imply. And what I like about this hair dye, it comes with like a little squeezy comb. So after you've mixed up your hair dye, you can put the squeezy comb on, and it makes it so much easier because you can just squeeze the bottle and comb through your hair as you're dyeing your hair. So I normally start through the middle at a center parting and then work my way all the way down my center parting and the back. That's just to make sure that my parting is nice and covered. If you have a side parting, then you might want to start on the side parting, but whatever parting you normally have in your hair, you want to start there, just so that it's nice and coloured and even, because that's the part where people will see the most. And then I move on to my hairline. So if you ever have your hair up, then again, that's the part that people see the most, and it's your hairline. So once I've done my parting and my hairline, I then use a comb and just use sections thinly, sweeping it across once I've coloured it and massaging in the hair colour to make sure it's nice and even. It's not rocket science really, but I just wanted to show you how I do it, because I do get a few questions on how I do my roots, especially when you're only doing your roots. You want to make sure that the hair colour doesn't blend into the other parts of your hair and accidentally dye the other parts of your hair. So yeah, the ones I've got all my hair colour on, I leave it on for an hour, a bit longer than what they tell you to, just because I want to make sure that the product has really worked and my hair colour is going to turn out as I want. So then I wash my hair. I use the Maui Moisture shampoo. Give it a really good shampoo, because you want to make sure all of your hair dye has come off. And then this is the important part, because my hair is freshly coloured. The blonde lifted the hair to a lighter shade, but it's not going to be the ashy kind of shade that I want, because obviously we didn't bleach it. And when you lift black hair to a certain degree, there's always going to be brassiness and golden tones. So this is where the vanilla no orange shampoo comes into play. There's a no yellow one as well, but no yellow one is obviously for more no yellow hair. So if you've got like already bleached hair and it's turning a bit yellow and brassy, use that one. If you're like me and you've just dyed your hair not using bleach and it's kind of like orange and you've got like golden pigments, then use the no orange one. This is more blue pigment, and then the no yellow one is more purple pigment, and that just helps to cancel out the tones. And I left this on my hair for about 15 minutes. It's just like a hair mask, and then rinsed it off, and then I applied a Olaplex hair mask just to make sure my hair was nice and soft, and then I just left it to dry. And then last night I plaited it, and then this morning this is the results. It looks like I've like used a wafer on my hair, but this is just overnight braids. I braided it when it was dry, my hair, so that it wasn't too kind of like wavy and kinky, so it's nice and even. And yeah, I'm going to carry on using this for the next few times that I wash my hair, just so that it really eliminates all of the golden tones. and gets it the colour that I want. This is not my final hair colour, guys. I actually have a hair colour in mind, but there's no point in me putting a hair dye on my hair, leaving my roots black when it meant my roots would just stay black, and then the rest of my hair, because this part has been bleached before, it would pick up the colour, so I would have still had that dark roots problem. So my solution was to lighten my roots first, so it's nice and even now. The hair colour's almost like exactly the same tone, and then maybe in a couple of weeks, once I've let my hair like have a little breather, I'm going to put another colour on top so that it's then nice and even. So yeah, I'm going to be dyeing my hair again. This is not the final colour that I want, even though I don't mind it. It's not exactly what I want. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful, guys, and you definitely do not need to use bleach to lighten your hair unless you want to go blonde. But if you just want to go like a light brown or something like this, then definitely just buy a light ash blonde hair colour. It will lift your hair. Everybody's hair is different texture in ways it lifts, so it might not be the exact same colour as mine, but it will make your hair lighter. So yeah, that's hopefully helpful for you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. If you do try it, tag me on Instagram or YouTube, or send me a picture or anything, just so that I know that you guys have, you know, tried it and my video was helpful to some of you guys. I hope you're all staying safe, and until my next video, I shall see you guys soon. Bye.